Hello lovelies, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get heatless curls on your synthetic wigs, how you can create curls and style it as well, just as you had seen in the video you just watched. Keep watching to see every step from beginning till the very end to see results. Okay, so if you're interested, stick with me till the end. Kiss. Okay, first thing you have to do is to detangle your hair, like comb it properly to make sure it's tangle free. It's a synthetic wig, so when this hair is wet and all that, it's going to be a whole mess for you to work with. So you just get your spray can and just add in water and you just spray it. Yeah, I don't want to just dip this hair into the water, let it not be all messy, and at the end of the day I get to detangle this hair and get tired and stop working. So I advise you get a spray can. If you don't have a spray can, just like sprinkle water on the hair to make sure that the hair is detangled properly, is wet properly, I mean to say. Then you comb it. Make sure you comb from the tip you get to the top, just like that. Then you section your hair into different parts. You understand? So it will help you work faster. You get, just section your hair. I always talk about this because it helps you work faster and so after sectioning my hair, what I have to do now is to roll the hair properly. Do you understand? So you get a smaller section, do you understand? And you just comb it, add your water and make it with snapping rollers. You understand? That's what we use to roll. If you don't have snapping rollers, you can use any normal rollers in the market. Then you use a pin to hold the two ends, like, you understand? Okay, so I tried showing this hair, like the rolling process, but I didn't know my camera didn't capture it. But don't worry, I have, like, to the end of the rolling, I showed how you'll be able to roll it properly. So just keep watching so you will learn, you understand? Okay, so just watch me roll, then when I get to that part I will come and explain for you. Okay, so if you want to learn how I make this wig, from the wefting process to the sewing, the closure and everything, then you have to watch a video I'm going to drop here, so you will learn how to do that yourself. Okay. Okay, so I've gotten to the front part of the hair. If you're using a closure, there's no problem. You can roll normally. The closure is ready the way it is. But it's a 4x4, 5x5, or a frontal. You have to style it. Styling it depends on how you want to style it. I wanted mine is C-cut, so you can style your side parting, center parting, and C-cut as well. So after styling the hair, you just section it into different parts. You'll be able to roll, do this styling process, because if you put hot water into your hairs and all that, it'll be very hard for you. So this is the rolling process. So you roll in inwards, like you try to wrap your hair on the rollers from the beginning, then you just roll it this way. You can see what I'm doing. Then you snap, you hold it with the back of the snap rollers or your pin that you have. If you have normal rollers, you understand. So you add your water, like you spray your water into your hair, make sure it's wet, you understand. Then you comb it properly. You get, you comb it, then you take your rollers and you say wrap your hair around the rollers and you just roll it all the way up. You get, you roll it all the way up. That's how you roll it, and you just snap, just clip it, or you pin your pins with the rollers. You understand? So this is how the hair looks after rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. So the next thing you have to do right now is to get a clean bowl with a boiling water, like hot but not very very hot. If you need to melt your synthetic wig, so you just apply it to the hair, just pour it to the hair, make sure every part of the hair gets water. This hot water gets water every rollers that the hair is rolled to, you understand? So just make sure you just start doing that, then you take it off and dry it for some time, like days if you can, or you put it under the sun. You get, then you take off your rollers, you get, take off those rollers, and you can see how beautiful those coils came out. So if you don't want your coils to start from the beginning, very beginning top, then you can use a straightener to straighten it a bit, but for very low heat, understand? Then if you did, then for the front part of it, closure, frontal, anyone, you're going with your wax stick, you understand? Then you just, apply it and use your hot comb to flatten it. Make sure the hot comb is not very hot. If not, I'll always say it will melt your hair, so please, you wouldn't want that. So you just style it, center pattern, C-curls, anyone you want. Style it to your desired taste, you get. Then you do that. This is the final look of the wig. You can see how beautiful those curls came out. You see, it is very, very beautiful. I hope this video was interesting and helpful. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and please comment what you want us to do more on this channel. See you all in my next video. Bye. Kiss, kiss. I love you all.